Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And I'm going to start off on the daily today because the daily time frame is up, as you can see. I mean, the market is definitely flowing up, but because the weekly and the monthly is still in a downtrend, we still need to kind of assume that this move up very likely could be a pullback to this move down. So if we see some sort of a corrective price action, like a three-wave pullback to any one of these Fibonacci levels and like an engulfing move to the downside, we definitely want to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. As of right now, it is definitely flowing up, and the dollar has been pretty slow this week, as you can see. We're pretty much four doji candles in a row on the daily time frame. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, because of those higher time frames, I would be recommending longs. These are the trades that I potentially would be trying to get in on the dollar pairs themselves, all these little impulsive moves up that we've been getting throughout the week. And I definitely would continue to do so, at least until that daily time frame gave us some sort of at least an engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level or something telling us that the market is not still making a move to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.